Hello, welcome back to Elite Recipes. Today we are going to make a porial with capsicum and potato. Come, let's go into the video and see how to make capsicum aloo potato porial. 1 capsicum, 2 potatoes. Peel the potatoes, cut the potato in a triangular shape. Chopped capsicum, salt, jeera, asafoetida, cooking oil, chili powder. Now on the stove, heat the kadai, pour 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil, grease it, add 1 tablespoon of jeera, pinch of asafoetida, add the chopped potatoes, sort it well. Then after 2 to 3 minutes, add chopped capsicum also. Mix nicely. Add salt. After some time, add 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Mix it nicely. Close it with lid. Within 5 to 10 minutes, this porial will get cooked. Now, potato capsicum porial is ready.